She was like, how many classes? I was like, girl, if I did.
So let's talk a mixed number. Okay, so this is actually 1.2. And I think it was what? Fractions and Venn diagrams?
I told Emma, Mr. D, I got you a coffee.
Wow.
Wow. This is gas station coffee, not Starbucks.
Okay, so 1.2 is fractions and Venn diagrams. Thank you, ma'am.
Don't you not like Starbucks?
Thank you.
That's not
We're teachers. We can't afford it.
no, Starbucks genuinely is.
All right, what's your mixed number?
Okay, it's 3 and then 9 over 20.
Okay, this is how you do.
Wait, let me get like a little writing pencil.
This is how you change it to an improper fraction. You take 20.
Oh, I wrote 30 instead.
Take 20 and you multiply it by 3.
Okay, so 60.
And so 60. And then you're going to, so you get
Divide.
60. Then you add 9. So you get the fraction 69
Over 20.
over 20.
Woo! Thank you, Mr. D.
Now, make sure that's simplified.
Oh. How do I do it?
I'll show you. The easiest thing is using your calculator. Okay.
Is it 3.45?
Take 69. Now, wait a minute. Divide it by 20. And you get your decimal, right?
Yeah.
And then to make it a fraction, hit math,
Enter.
enter. And look at that. You get 69/20. So it's simplified. So that's your answer.
69.
And do you know how to put that into when you go to put it into the answer, you got to use that fraction. It gives you a
Yeah,
fraction
they have
option.
little like buttons.
Yep, you got to use the fraction button.
Oh,
All right,
this is incorrect.
69/20.
Yeah. Although your answer is equal to the correct answer, it's not the correct form.
So what form? Oh, you want a decimal.
Oh.
Okay, so you got to put the 3.45 in there.
All right. Don't even come at me.
Okay, can we go on? Are we ready?
I'm ready.
That kind of scared me a little bit. All right, a school has 2 pathways through the math program. At this school, 3/7 of students follow the first path, and the rest take the second path. During one semester, 70% of the students who follow the first path pass the program, while 35% of the students who follow the second path pass it. Oh, this is easy. Follow the steps in parts A through C below to find out the fraction of the students. Oh, okay, so I forgot to give you the A through C, right? Let's see what the A through C is. I got it somewhere. Come on. Anytime now. Okay, so A. Here's A. Says find the fraction of students who take the first path
Oh my.
and pass.
Oh my.
Okay, you ready? So 3/7 of the total students. So we're going to need that. So 3/7 of the students follow the first path. And we don't need to worry about the second path because we're doing the first path. During one semester, 70% of the students pass. Okay, so we're going to take 3/7 of the students, and then we're going to do what? Multiply by 70%, right? Those are the amount that pass. Okay, how do I write 70% as a number? That's right. Move the decimal point over to the left 2 places. So times 0.7. And what do I get? Let's see, it should be what, 3? You could do this a couple of ways. Again, I'm going to use my calculator because you guys always have a calculator at hand. So 3 divided by 7 is my 3/7 times 0.7, point 3. Okay. 0.3, 30%, or if we want to write that as a fraction, how do you write it as a fraction? 3/10, 3/10, right? 0.3. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay. So 3/10 of the students take the first path, and so our answer is 3/10 of the students take the first path pass. That's my answer. So when you go to take the quiz for this, that's what you'll have to put in for an answer. Got it?
That whole thing.
Huh?
That whole thing. Like what was that?
Well, they'll on the quiz they'll probably have this all written out. They'll ask probably for the 3/10. What's the fractional? Get it? All right.
I got it.
And when is
Second question. What's the second question? B.
I think it's Friday.
B. It's only Tuesday, right?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Okay. B.
Oh.
Find the fraction of students. Yeah, you guys are lucky. We all get a 4-day weekend.
Lucky you guys.
Find the fraction of students who take the second path and pass.
It's always the Monday after prom.
Yeah, but there's not going to be a prom this year.
I heard that teachers or the principals have been subbing.
That is true. That is very true.
Wait, what?
That's sad.
Principals have been subbing. That's how short we
Because
are.
all our subs before were like,
Okay.
bless you,
No,
So-
and they're all retired now. Like, yeah.
We have a full-time sub.
Okay, so let's look at what we did here for the first path, right? We took 3/7. They told us how many students took the first path, and they told us how many 70% pass. So we need the amount of students that take the second path, right? Well, we used up 3/7, so I'm going to take 1 minus 3/7. That will equal the number of students that take the second path, right? Are you with me? Okay, 100% minus 3/7. 100% of the students, or 1, because I moved the decimal place over 2, right?
Oh, yeah.
Minus 3/7 of the students who take the first path, right? So if I minus the 3/7, that'll give me the number of students that take the second path. Okay, now, do you guys remember how to subtract fractions? That's not funny.
Whoever set this thing up.
Okay, so remember that's 1 over 1, right? So I need a common denominator. What's my common denominator?
There you
That's right, 7.
go. It's 7?
Okay, yeah. Because that's a common denominator. I can't make that 7 a 1, but I can make this 1 a 7. 1 over 1 is equal to 7 over 7, or, right, anything over itself is 1. So, 7/7 minus 3/7, that means 4/7 of the student population take the second path, right? Mind blowing. So I'm going to take those 4/7.
Wait, that's
Huh?
that's not that.
No, because we got to find who. Oh, got to find
Oh, hello,
who
Kate.
pass. Okay, what's the percentage that pass?
I don't know why they did these little half factors.
What's the percentage of?
That pass taken the second path. Thank you. 35%, right? You just spit out that answer when it comes to you. Okay, so I'm going to change that to a decimal, right? So 4/7 times 0.35. And what do I get? Yeah, use your handy dandy calculators.
I'll just have to on the phone.
0.2.
I don't know what it is, to tell you the truth. I can't even think that this early in the morning. 0.2.
Woo.
0.2 or 20%, or they want the fraction, right? So I'm going to hit my math, enter, and I get 1/5.
Oh.
That's the answer.
So that's my answer they want. So 1/5 of the students. That's my answer.
Oh yeah, also Miss Knuckles. You were in my food science class yesterday.
I saw you.
I saw
I
you as
looked
well.
at you.
I was at that point of the day. I'm completely done, and that's when I just can't. And that's
Okay.
two science classes.
C. Now this is going to be pretty easy, right? C is straightforward. Add the fractions together.
Oh, you did it. So
Okay, so I have my 3/10 up here, right? So 3/10 plus 1/5. Now, how do I add these?
Common denominator.
Common denominators. There we go. That'll work. What's my common denominators?
10.
Awesome. So I don't even have to change the first one, right? What's my second fraction?
It'll be 2/5 or 2/10.
Oh, thank you, Lord. So I get 5/10, which is,
1/2.
thank you.
Whoa. Wow.
I'm actually paying attention.
Wow. Adrian paid attention when he was 10.
I thought we were doing it tomorrow.
Are you kidding me?
I've been paying attention the whole time.
So-
Right before I left.
You won darts after all?
Okay, so what does this 1/2 mean?
I'm
a hard
mad.
I love teaching fractions to seniors. It is so fun. So what does the 1/2 mean?
I'm never doing fractions again.
What does the 1/2 mean?
The 1/2 is almost the answer, but it's not it yet.
Okay, what does the 3/10 mean?
First half.
They pass, right? The first path. What does 1/5 mean?
People that passed.
The second path. So what would the 1/2 mean?
Third half?
The people that completely failed.
The other way around.
The people that aced it.
It's the students that pass. All the students that it represents passing students.
I like the third half.
Oh my
I
gosh.
thought we were talking. Wait, never mind. I'm not even gonna say.
So half of the students in this school, I'm not so sure that half the students would pass math.
I don't know. Could that work? Half of a whole school? There's no way.
I think the teachers would probably get fired for that.
Yeah, we would.
Yeah.
Yep, definitely.
Are you guys supposed to like keep up like the numbers or whatever?
Yes.
Like just half the kids.
You ever just,
Well, that's-
you ever just ask?
Unfortunately, that's what happens.
Actually?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
But-
surprised a lot of teachers didn't get screwed over from all that stuff just because of COVID.
Yep.
I think they can't really do anything because it is.
Well, they did. They took it out of our evaluations during COVID. So. But yeah, no, it does create a big problem. That's what in this country, teachers are just passing students because we have to be under 20% at this point. Eventually, we have to be under 10%.
I forgot it.
Failures.
It's basically only one kid in your
Yeah.
class can fail.
Well,
I mean,
overall,
two
not
kids.
as like
I
this
forgot that one.
class.
But I was like,
Well,
it's still only like 2 kids.
No, that's in math. That's in math. Yeah.
It's like 2 kids.
Okay, I got to pause this and get this going again. Okay. Venn diagrams. Now, we're probably not going to use a whole lot of Venn diagrams, but when you get stuck on some statistical problems, this is a very good way to bail yourselves out. Okay, number one, the Venn diagram shows the number of players at a sports club who take part in various sports activities, where A are members who do archery. So here's our archery circle, right? Archery. There's our archery circle. B is badminton. Badminton. I don't even know what badminton is. And then C is cross country. Cross country. And let's go with this one.
You saw that YouTube? Fuck, it will mourn you out.
Okay, C is cross country. Here, let me use highlighters. Okay, so here's my archery.
I'm like the athlete of athletes.
There's my cross country. And here's my badminton. Badminton. Okay. Find the number of members who take part in cross country. How many members take part in cross country, people?
10.
3, 7, 10. 10.
Let's go.
2, 3, 7, and 10. Okay, there you go. How about more than one activity?
More than one. 7.
Yeah, 7, because these overlap, right?
Yeah.
So 7. Actually, 7, this one too. 8. And this one too, right?
Yeah.
16.
Man, I was counting it.
Okay, the people who play badminton, so I'm looking at the this one. Oh, I'm sorry, the blue one, right? And do not take part in cross country.
2.
What?
What do you?
13.
They play badminton. All of these people play badminton, but we want to exclude the cross country. So
Wait, no, 4 isn't 13.
1 and 8, right?
I would say, God, you guys are so smart.
9.
Wow. No, that's
How about all the people that do not take archery? We can't have anybody in the pink, right? So 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you're slow. He said badminton, now he said cross country. He did not say. Yes, he did.
Badminton.
I'm cold at badminton.
Did you guys get that? Should we do another
The
one?
little like bracket thing that like.
We got time to do another one. Okay. A poll was
The best
I
at
think I played like a couple times.
Amberton Valley.
that thing where you throw up that plastic wiffle thing and try to kill it.
It's like a yoga ball.
no.
Yeah, don't you did that as a kid, right?
It's like this.
Tried to kill it, and you always end up breaking the racket because they were so cheap. All right, number 2. A poll was taken of the leisure time activities of 90 students. Okay. Actually, never mind. 60 students watch TV, so we got TV. Let's put TV here. So this is my TV circle. There's my TV circle. Now, don't just put 60 in there any old way because some of them are going to intersect, right? All right, TV. What's the next one? Read. That's kind of funny. I'm sorry, that was pretty sarcastic. Read. Actually, I'd like to read. A lot of students like to read. That was. Okay, and what's the last one? Movie? Cinema? Cinema.
No.
It's not a church.
And then he was preaching.
Yeah.
You had to go to church on Sunday.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay, 26 students. 26 students watch TV, so we're in the green. read, so we're in the green and pink, and go to the cinema. So we need green, pink, and blue. So there's my 26. So green, pink, and blue, 26.
Hey,
Okay,
now.
20 students watch TV, so the green, and go to the cinema. So I need green and blue,
Sorry.
and we get 20.
So that's called.
Okay, 18, read,
But that's enough for this for now.
and go to the cinema. So I need pink and blue is my 18. And then 10, read and watch TV. So I need green and pink. Here's my 10. Now we can figure out the rest of these. Let's see, TV, I have 60 students total, watch TV, and we want only TV, so we have to deduct minus 20, minus 26, minus 10. So we get, what is this, 40, 56, so 4 watch TV only. All right, what about the cinema? So let's see, 70 students go to the cinema. 70, so we're looking at the blue, so minus 20, minus 26, and minus 18, and that is, yeah, need more coffee. Need more coffee. And that's 6. So, and I'm thinking maybe the other one. Might as well do the other one.
What?
We got 90 students total, right?
Oh, that was the wrong place.
We could easily do read. So read, we have 90 students total. We should be able to just subtract the 6 and the 4, right? No, that's not going to work. Okay, read, we have 60, not 90, 60 minus 18, 26, and 10. 50, 42, 6, 16. That seem right? Better do this just in case. 60 minus 18 minus 26
Nope.
minus 10. 6, not 16. And there you go. Venn diagrams and fractions. So that's 1.2.
Woo! So how do you add factors?
Hey, stop ducking me, dog.
Just not